Hello and welcome back to Maneater. So we're starting the DLC in this episode, the Truth Quest. And apparently for that I have to do this time trial race thing. Glad I had the fast shark skin equip. Makes this a lot easier. There we go. Easy.
Probably whisked away by a government, lest we capture the beast on video.
Well, what do we got here? Take out these boats. Seems simple enough.
By human powers, the Illuminati prove a dastardly foe. Unaware, noose around its neck tightens to a crack of shark.
I'm gonna be honest, in what world would...
Marine mammal parks are designed to anesthetize us from reality.
In what world would a government agency of any sort be better at shark hunting than an actual shark hunter like Pete? Yeah.
Markings on this satellite suggest that it belongs to CCP, a top secret military compound, and practically the home base of these NWO.
So yeah, like the logic just doesn't really hold up. Oh my! Can I just jump up and? I don't think I'm gonna be able to just jump up and eat that thing. So yeah, like, sure, the government could just like absolutely decimate the oceans and take out a shark, but I mean, like, from like a conspiracy theory sort of perspective, there is no way that there's no way that they're going to be more efficient at taking down a shark than a guy whose literal entire existence was based on destroying the shark. You know what I mean? Like, it just doesn't really work that way. Listening to their chatter is kind of fun. Hey, sailor, you're gonna go up there, and oh, come on. How did I miss you guys? No, no. And you're gonna go up there, and you're gonna go up there, and you two. Hey, you need to join your friends. That's it. Well, that was easy. Man, it's just sending me everywhere. I'm investigating everything. Also, every one of these boats is going to have a shark cage from now on, aren't they? Kind of sucks.
A source close to the Army Corps of Engineers informs me that the group has been involved in a purposely directed Gulf depopulation program for years.
Is this... No, that's not the boat. For some reason I thought I was taking that boat out. I am not. Travel to Plover Island Complex. Oh, okay.
The underground trains that leave from this facility are built with shackles for political prisoners. If I mysteriously disappear, that's probably where I went. Either that or my second wife, Susan.
Okay, so it's been a while since I played this game last. Basically, when I tried to start the DLC, For some reason, it wasn't registering with the Epic Games Store that I had the DLC. So that took a day to figure out, and then I just got busy. So it's actually been like 4 days, I think, since I last recorded. Actually, maybe a little longer. I don't remember. Anyway, try to just continue this from where we left off. So we've just entered this new area. Whoops. Oh, okay. Plover Island. Interesting. It's pretty good size. What do we got to do here? Oh, there's a bunch of... Do I need to do all these? I should probably do all these other missions, shouldn't I? There's a lot here. Okay, this first thing we'll do is we'll take out this boat. Sorry, turtle. Oh, come on, get the turtle. Okay. There we go. Get on the, that's it. Ugh, man, that thing's a pain in the butt to destroy. Well, until I just noticed these. That works. Oh, that would suck. That's funny. Wait, is there a whole new host of hunters? There is. Oh, this is going to be a whole thing. I didn't think there was going to be a whole other level to this. Great. Okay, let's take out the first hunter in this episode. I think that's a good place to start. So, guess that means we need to just start destroying boats after I eat this person. Okay, I totally missed. Oh well. It'll be easier to take out a boat with this, these explosives. Oh, kidding me? I missed. I'm just gonna destroy the command boat. I'm not even gonna bother with taking out their... Oh, never mind. I was thinking I wouldn't even bother with taking out their electric shield, their shark shield. That works. I destroyed it without even hitting it. Come on. Let's wreck this boat. That did it. Okay, where's all these explosives? Oh, I guess, was it the command boat that was throwing out the explosives? Guess I didn't think that one through, did I? Okay, well, that's fine. I'll figure it out. Can I not get... Gosh, I can't seem to grab any of these hunters. I'll throw this guy at that boat. There we go. That's what I wanted. Okay, see if I can target the boat and the people on board. And, you know, standard go-to stuff. Oh, they killed me. I guess I should have been paying more attention. I think that's only the second time I've died.
I feel compelled to remind you that if you disagree with any of my conclusions, then it's possible that you are a victim of America's classified mind control weapons program.
What is all this stuff down here? These tires. I'm trying to figure out what these boxes are. I have no clue what these boxes are. Oh well. Okay, we should go to the grotto. Why didn't I do that to begin with? Hey, look at that. There's a nutrient cache right there.
Plover is always swimming, searching for anything to satisfy the gluttony that is a defining trait. The big fish seek shelter as the NWO shock troops assemble.
Well, grotto's basically the same as all the others, slight variations. Okay. First, I think I want to switch up some of these. I'm going to switch up from the shadow set to probably... Let's do the electric set. I don't think I've even tried it. Damage resistance does seem nice. Okay, we're gonna get rid of the damage resistance temporarily for the sonar. Just because the sonar will reveal literally everything. It'll make it so much easier.
This satellite is but one of millions in the villainous cabal's interstellar quantum communications.
Whoa, what is that? What is that? Do you see that? What is that? I didn't expect that. Interesting. It's very interesting. Okay, let's get back to taking hunters down. Or I guess sailors. Is that a searchlight looking at me? I think it's generally panning from side to side. Or is that the term for a satellite? Or not satellite. Wow. A searchlight panning, going from side to side. Is that the term for that? I don't even know. Okay, well, eating those guys didn't really accomplish anything for me. I have to do more.
The insectoids are rabid that the shark will soon reveal the truth of their existence.
While the conspiracies are funny, it's also just kind of sad, I think is the term I'm looking for, that people actually people like the narrative actually exist. I'm not denying that there aren't conspiracies, but I just like... Some of them are truly insane. And I don't know. I feel like it's one thing to be critical and skeptical of things. It's another thing to just believe what some guy who knows someone who might have seen something once says, you know. Hey look, Area 51.
Don't be fooled by this elaborate diorama. The real horrors are buried deep underground.
Oh, he couldn't have said that any better than a true conspiracy theorist. Like, that really is. I've met a few people like that in my time, and they're just like, it's not the aliens that you see that are real, it's the ones that you don't see, and it's like, really? It seems like what little we've seen, people really want to try to keep under wraps. So I kinda doubt that there's like a deeper level to that, and that there's a whole fake conspiracy to draw people off of the real one. Like, yeah, it kind of makes sense, but it does also, like, that's a huge waste of resources, and it's easier just to say no when nobody can hold you accountable, like you know, when you're a government. Anyway, that's enough conspiracy stuff. I just think it's
There's nothing wrong with my vision.
it's kind of a messed up thing. Like, it messes with some people, and I find it a little bit sad. Because people that are, you know, normally pretty bright suddenly just lose all sense of judgment. Okay, wow, these guys are hammering me. Holy moly. I'm gonna have to try out my special ability. Try zapping all of them. Come on. Where'd that fish go? There it is.
Is this shark toying with us?
Wow, it's taking a really long time to heal.
Is this shark toying with us?
The alien cabal is forced to give ground. But rest assured, they have already begun remarshaling their forces.
Ugh. This is getting a little bit obnoxious. Just all their shooting. Oh, that missed. Hit the boat. That's it. And now I need to find some people to eat without getting zapped. Hey, we're 31. Nice. Okay, grab some. Oh. Grab another explosive. Oh man, I'm getting hammered. Holy moly. This is really intense. Holy crap. I just wanted to fight the next hunter, but
I spy with my little eye. Nothing. If I see it,
it seems like that's going to be a challenge. Especially when I have to destroy all these stupid shark shields, and you know, I can't do anything until the shark shield's destroyed. Oh. There we go. Okay, we're just gonna boat. Oh yeah, look at all these guys. Lots of free food. Okay, I'm gonna take out that stupid shark shield. Ah, did I miss? Okay, just gonna hit the boat. Wow, that shark shield does a huge amount of damage. You'd think the bioelectric skin would give me, like, resistance to that, but I guess not. Okay, we got this. Okay. I'm gonna hammer this boat. That's it. Wreck it. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Total success. Oh, they drop health boxes. That's nice. Let's try our ability.
The shark has been implanted with an RFID chip to monitor
Oh, this is actually pretty OP. Oh my. Yeah. Wow. I should have been using bioelectric the whole time. This seems like it's the highest damage output. That's insane. I love it. I'll take that. There he is. That's what I wanted.
hardcore intergenerational Satanist TJ Tough.
Did somebody just fall out of his helicopter? Also, he's in a helicopter. I like this. This is a nice change of pace here. Kind of a cool idea. I just need to find something to throw at him. I guess I don't necessarily need to find something to throw in, but... yeah, I feel like that's the easiest method, it seems like. Okay, where is he? Oh, crap, he's up in the air, isn't he? Okay, we're just gonna hit the boat.
Bring it back for Hawkins.
Dang!
He'll get
My friends, this is it. Next comes the
Man, I checked my health when I was in slow motion and it looked okay, and I thought, okay, I'll get away real quick, and they dropped that as soon as I got out of slow motion and threw that barrel. Just dropped my health to nothing.
On the volatile cowrie shell market. That's
Okay.
why smart investors are betting big on
This is a hard DLC. I only died once during the base game. I've already died twice here and I haven't accomplished anything.
rely on cash cow. Shells will leave you all wet.
What's this guy?
Invest in capital and get moving
Oh.
in the right direction.
Quest collectors, interesting. Oh, is that what those other missions are in the rest of the base game? It's finding those guys, isn't it? That'll be interesting. Yes, be afraid. I'm going to take out your friend in the helicopter.
Hardcore intergenerational
Okay.
Satanist TJ Tough.
Oh, they just lost a bunch of equipment. That's what went out the door. Okay, we're gonna pull, what are those stupid shark movies? You know, where the shark jumps up in the air and, like, eats an airplane or a helicopter? We're gonna pull one of those. Oh, nice if I could throw those bombs. Well, that worked fairly well. Not the best, but... oh, getting there. Why am I having so much trouble catching creatures for food? Like, I keep missing. I feel like I didn't have that much trouble before. Come here, seal. Need your blubber. Blubber? That? I don't... blubber's only on whales, isn't it?
Nope. Nothing. shark is a metaphor.
Oh my. That's a Moby Dick reference. The whale is a metaphor. Yeah, take this boat.
Let me get this. So it's a bull shark, but it doesn't look like a bull shark. Huh?
Okay, let's go. Oh, man. That prop. I feel like I saw something recently in a movie where a person uses... Oh, it's that Chris Pratt movie with the aliens. Came out this year? Last year? I don't remember. The one with the time travel. It's on Amazon. There's a helicopter pilot who sacrifices himself and uses his propeller as a weapon, basically. And it causes his helicopter to blow up. And as I say, I feel like this guy is doing the same thing with his helicopter. He's weaponizing his propeller, like smacking me with it. At least that's what it seemed like when I jumped up there last, because he kind of tilted and I got pelted by it. Ah. Holy moly, these hunters just drain my health. I'm spending more time trying to stay alive than I am actually fighting back. Look at this, I'm trying to dodge and I'm getting pelted. Can't get away for more than half a second. Come on, give me something.
There's nothing wrong with my vision.
Okay. What was this guy's name?
Damn thing.
Toffler, TJ Toffler. You're going down. Helicopter pilot Toffler, or co-pilot command, whatever his rank is. I wasn't paying attention. Where's the boats throwing those explosives? You know, the depth charges. I want some of those. This is funny, but I know this is probably not doing anything. Oh, I just launched that guy into the atmosphere. I'm gonna have to do that. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna have to do that again at some point. Go, go, go. Holy moly. There's just so many bullets. I can't even get close to these guys.
My little eye, nothing. We sure there's a rogue shark?
What does rogue shark even mean? Isn't the definition of a rogue something like... Oh, I guess there's likely it...
We sure there's a rogue shark?
I guess it just means going against the norm, you know, but... Dang it! I lost him!
Witnessing the collapse of the old and impotent New World Order.
I'm just trying to stay alive and I can't do this. Holy crap. If he comes back, does he have full health? I bet he does. See, I'm really struggling here because I eat people and I get like no health out of it. Maybe I should probably put on one of those skills that ups my my health gain from eating protein or whatever. Okay, well, we gotta accomplish something, so we're gonna destroy the communications beacon in this episode. can I get close enough to hit that from here? No, I can't. Okay, we're just gonna launch this guy into orbit too. Okay, he didn't go into orbit, but still, he flew a ways. Come on. That's it. Oh yeah. You too, buddy. Oh. What a way to go.
Masonic forces will stop at nothing to maintain power.
Hey, there we go. That's what I want. That'll work. Start dropping bombs, people. Drop some of those depth charges. That's it. That's what I needed. Oh, 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 come on. Okay, that one was about to blow up on me. Give me more depth charges, that's it. Okay, okay, holy crap, I'm really failing here. I was thinking I'd just use some of the depth charges to nail the tower, but I'm struggling with that part too.
A shark is never one to pass up a fat fiesta.
Okay, okay, we're going over here. Come on. Can I lock onto this? Oh, oh, come on. That's it. Yeah! Atomic teeth, what is that? Okay, well we got something. Holy moly! Okay, this episode's probably going to be a two-parter. So, yeah, we'll probably stop here, and the next episode we'll take on that helicopter pilot after we heal a little bit. So I'll see you guys in the next one.